It's just a favor, Rick. I'm afraid that's all I left to be. Pretty good shot. Yeah, that is pretty good shot. Hard to call that self-defense. That was a lie. I'd press charges. But we sure leave them as we can be. Not a difference it makes at this point. Tell you what difference it makes. Right now we have a tragedy. There is a third shooter. We have something in top. We have the end lined up right here. And there's no witness. The only person who never seen was Casey. Maybe on our side of the cattle, but this is different.